How to create account on Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an account on Expedia step by step. Whether you are planning a trip, booking a hotel, or just browsing deals, having an Expedia account makes everything easier. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your laptop and go to www.expedia.com. And here, once you are on the home page, just look at the top right corner of the screen and simply click on sign in. And then select sign in from the drop down menu. And now you'll see a simple registration form. So here you can choose to sign up with your email or connect using your Google or Apple account. So here for this video, I'm gonna simply go with the email. So enter your email, and once you're done with that, simply click on continue. And after that, you need to enter the verification code which Expedia have sent it to your Gmail. So go to Gmail and copy the code. And once you have copied it, simply paste it to the field text box. And here, once you're done with that, you need to verify yourself that you are not a robot. So simply solve the puzzle that it gives you, and once you're done with that, simply click on submit. And here, once you're done with the set of a puzzle, you will be prompted to the next page. So here simply click on get started, and after that you need to enter your first and last name. So simply enter your first and last name, and once you're done with that, simply click on continue. And here after that you need to create a strong password. So simply type a strong password, and once you're done with that, simply click on create password button. And here on the next page, you might need to enter the phone number, but that's totally optional. So here I'm gonna simply skip it. And here, once you're done with everything, you need to simply click on continue. And that's it. You are now signed in with a brand new Expedia account. From here, you can book flights, hotels, vacation packages, and so much more. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.